Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word mimesis. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The artist's painting was a perfect mimesis of the natural landscape, capturing every detail with stunning accuracy. Mimesis refers to the representation or imitation of the real world in art, literature, or other forms of creative expression, aiming to mirror reality. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.